This is the Bodysurf Waterproof Sandproof Travel Beach Bag. This is how it came when I first received it. It can most likely fit everything that you need for a beach outing for your family. Sturdy longer outer handles, nice design, water resistant and sandproof. 2 zippers. Lots of room inside. Inside you have an extra pocket with a zipper. That gives you plenty of extra room for small things. Sewn in such a way that when you have it full, if you need to set the beach bag up, you can perfectly do that. It's made from recycled, rip-stop nylon canvas. Because it's water resistant, it can help to keep your belongings dry while you're on the beach. Great for the entire family. It also has an outer pocket. Great to use for those things that you want to get quickly. The outer pocket has lots of room. I think you'll love this Bodysurf Beach Bag, not just for the beach, but for grocery shopping and many other things that you can use this for. Lightweight, sandproof, water resistant. Grab your Bodysurf Mexican beach towel, your bathing suit and a few other things that you need. Zip it up, and you're good to go.